Refining oneself is the greatest service to humanity. Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya. Book title Harina Himmat, Lose Not Your Heart. Swami Vivekanand said, "We are what our thought have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live. They travel far. Have you ever been in a situation where some circumstances or people shattered you completely and made you clueless and dejected? But a single thought you read becomes the torch in a dark room of your mind and heart, and suddenly ignite hope in you, gives you direction and transform you by providing a different outlook. How about having a book that is a collection of such life transforming guiding principles? Sharing a book that has life transforming inspirational pearls of wisdom. Few excerpts from the book. Surrender yourself. You must be prepared to face hardships in your life. You may be predisposed to feel you cannot face them, but where you find doubt, tiredness, despair in yourself, you will also find strength. Therefore, finish your work wholeheartedly and step aside. Let the result come to you in due course of time. Work to your full potential. Do not get discouraged by any situations. The only action you can control is your own and not those of others. Do not criticize and not hold any expectation of them. There is no need to be afraid everything will turn out for the best. Do not despair, you are standing on firm ground. Instead of looking at faults in others, discover your flaws. There is nothing to be gained in finding the faults of others. You are only responsible for the mental and physical weakness of yourself. One fourth of the circumstances you receive is the result of your actions. Nevertheless, three-fourths of the situation, life gives result from your current outlook and effectiveness with which you are fulfilling your duties. If you take up the task of correcting yourself, you can solve many of your mental and physical problems. Live in contentment. It is only wise to be prepared for changing times. You should never feel complacent about your progress, success, happiness, and luxury because you do not know how long they will last. If they do not, there is no point in spending your energy complaining, despairing, or becoming angry. Instead, use your time to think through the situation and devise a solution or otherwise reconcile yourself to it. This will be more beneficial for you. Real intelligence comes from finding happiness in whatever is available and in this way keeping your mental balance. Few topics covered in the book. Refining oneself is the greatest service to humanity. Make your life an offering. First, discipline yourself. Only then you can discover your true nature, which is courtesy, simplicity, empathy, and compassion. Do not depend on others. Develop faith in your own hand, feet, heart, and soul. Expecting from others is like building a castle in the air. Use yourself in purposeful work and forget painful memories.